So after watching my last video, you have known that I have shifted to Pune, and guys, it is kind of difficult. It was kind of difficult to mentally fit in Pune, but I guess I have been now kind of settled in Pune now. Because my classes had started. I have also told you that in my last video, and now I'm trying to find a beautiful routine because I'm being so lazy, and I have to find a routine, guys. I have to, like, yeah, I just study when it's my mood, and after classes there is like nothing to do. It's so boring, like it's becoming boring. Many things happened in this past 2 weeks. Point one, that I started my commerce classes and I'm doing great there. I'm just doing great. So I am just showing you that how is my daily routine till yet and what I want to change in that, and you're going to see that I'm doing that or not, because I'm going to shoot that productivity type, because it is hard and I do it when I shoot it because that is a motivation for me. So first let me show you. Okay, I am showing this because it's right in front of me. I have my classes bag and I am just thinking that I should show you what I take in my classes bag. So here, first of all, let me show you the stationeries. I have my writing pad, then I have my accounts notebook, and guys, I don't have to tell you it's accounts notebook unless and until you see what's inside it. It's just all journaling, analyzing, and all the accounts thing. If you are commerce, you will get what I want to say. So that's my accounts notebook. I was having a notebook this small for account, but my sir told that you have to bring a big book. So for accounts, only for accounts, I have big book. Then I have this kind of notes textbook for my account subject. It's given from my classes, the ambition classes. You see it. And yeah, I'm little sick too. So yeah, then I have this logarithm textbook for my maths lecture. I have joined for 2 subjects in my classes, that is accounts and maths. So my sir told to bring a logarithm, and guys, logarithm, now I am studying logarithm right now, and it's so difficult. It's not that difficult, like it's not difficult, but it makes many silly mistake from you. So this is my home notebook. Actually it's maths 2 of school. It's my notebook of 10th maths, and this is my maths notebook of classes. Currently I have all notes in it. So this is all I have. There in bag I have my journal with beautiful pen. And I journal in this, like it's type of to-do book, and I write what things I have to do, because sometimes I get so much homework and so much work to do, but I just don't do that because I don't write it. So it's a thing that helps me. Then I have a graph book which my sir told you should have in your bag. Then I have a long scale because accounts, I showed you that there are many boxes you have to make, and for that long book you need a long scale. And then a small pouch for money. That's it for the big section. Then I have in another section I have sanitizer and mask, extra sanitizer, which I don't use now so much, but I still have it because you should have it. an extra mask and a sanitizer in your bag. And then I have this small, actually Daddy, this was a keychain. I actually hang it on the like zip, but it came out and it just broke, so I'm just keeping it in the bag right now. Then I have wipes, and I use it rarely, but I do use it. Then chewy mint, but actually I don't use it often in the class because we are not allowed to eat like at least no chewing gums. So then I bought this mint. It's just so simple. You just don't have to chew it. And then I have this small book. Wait a second. And I have this small book. It's a rough book I had in my drawer for many years. I just keep it so that if I want to write something so silly but important somewhere, so I can write it in this. I have never used it yet, but I am keeping it in my bag. So let me just keep this back in the bag. And not only this much, I also have a pouch, and in pouch what I keep, I will show you in 2 minutes. Wait, let me just keep these things in the bag first. And yeah, don't forget to keep a water bottle. I do keep a water bottle, just it's not here right now because I have holidays, so it's not in my bag, it's in the kitchen. And this is the pouch, transparent pouch, a sharpener, a highlighter, a pen. This is the pen my uncle gave me to wish for the boats, so I use it now. Then some more blue ball pen, then some pencils, then a small scale which I always have in my bag, then a black pen, eraser, and last but not the least, my photo. I actually took this to give it to my sir. My account sir needed it, but he gave it back to me. So I was like, what should I do now? But then I realized that it is safe, or it is like good to keep your photo in your pouch. You should have one of your photo with you. You can use it anytime you need it. So I'm just going to keep it in my pouch now forever. And now this is what I have right now in my bag. Then after buying, I haven't bought my books, like the textbook, the official board's textbook yet. I'm going to buy it because before a few days I even did had any admission in any college, but now I got admission in SNDT. So now soon I will buy my textbooks. I will show you that because I also haven't seen it yet. So now I'm only studying it, all the textbooks and all from online, all ebooks I have in my laptop. And that's it. That is what I keep in my bag. So this is what my bags actually look like. Wait a second, I forgot to close this chair. Yeah, but it used to look like this. It used to look like this. I used to love this daily type thing here. My friend gave it, but it fell off many times, so now I don't take risk to keep it, or else on the road, while walking, while going from the car, it can fall anywhere. So I just don't keep it now. I just keep it in my bag. So guys, I think I'm going to end this video right now here, because it's now 5 in the evening and I just can't start a productive day from the middle of the day, right? So I will be starting that from tomorrow. Till that tonight, I guess I will find a beautiful routine, like what should I do, what should I shouldn't, and what I can do, and everything of that. Today I will do a little more time pass. I think so this much is enough for one video. I will make another video very soon, so stay updated. So that's why comment, like, share, subscribe, and press the bell notification for a new video. Now I guess I am trying to be more consistent making in new videos, so please support my channel. And also you can comment anything you want, like how do you like this video. You can give me more like suggestions and opinions, and anything is allowed in my comment section. I also interact there. And thank you. Bye.